Welcome back to Ubad's lab, and today I'm going to be explaining the chain rule to find derivatives. Alright, the chain rule is usually used for composite functions, so functions inside of other functions. So let's say we want to find the derivative of a function, so dx of a function f of g of x. So there's g of x inside of f. So according to the chain rule, this would equal the derivative of f of g of x times the derivative of g. And this looks super complicated, but once you try it out with a problem, it's actually pretty simple. So let me give you guys one quick example. So let's say we're given the function y is equal to x cubed plus 1 to the fourth. So the first thing that we do is, let's say, so dy dx, we want to find the derivative of this using the chain rule. Derivative of f, so we just move this exponent to the front, and then inside the parentheses it just says g of x, so you just keep what's inside the parentheses the same. Alright, and then it says multiply by the derivative of g of x. So we multiply by the derivative of x cubed plus 1, and we can just use the product rule that we know. So it's just gonna become 3x to the 2. And the 1 just becomes a 0. And that's basically it. I mean, I could flood you guys with practice problems, but it'd be overdoing it. All you really need to know is that you throw the exponent to the front, keep the middle the same, and then multiply by the derivative of the middle. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post some pretty cool chemistry related things there, and I host some live videos once in a while. The link to my Instagram will be down in the description. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.